Hey there, foodies and beverage enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of refreshing summer drinks with a unique twist: Italian Basil Limeade. But wait, there's more to this tantalizing drink than meets the eye. Get ready to discover some fascinating unknown facts about this delightful concoction. The perfect Italian Basil Limeade recipe. Alright, before we start uncovering the hidden gems about Italian Basil Limeade, let's whip up a batch of this mouthwatering drink. Here's what you'll need: fresh basil leaves, fresh limes, sugar, or your choice of sweetener, water, ice cubes. Unknown facts about Italian Basil Limeade. Now that we have our delicious drink ready, let's delve into some lesser-known facts about Italian Basil Limeade that will truly surprise you. Did you know that the origins of Basil Limeade trace back to ancient Rome? Basil was highly regarded in Roman culture for its various uses, including in culinary and medicinal preparations. The combination of basil and lime has been cherished for centuries. While we commonly associate Basil Limeade with beverages, its uses extend far beyond that. The unique blend of flavors makes it a fantastic ingredient in cocktails, mocktails, and even in cooking. From marinades to dressings, the possibilities are endless. Basil is known for its aromatic properties, and its scent is believed to have a calming effect on the mind. Imagine sipping on a glass of Basil Limeade after a long day. It's like a sip of tranquility. Beyond its delectable taste, Basil Limeade offers numerous health benefits. Basil is rich in antioxidants and essential oils that have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Lime, on the other hand, is a great source of vitamin C and can aid digestion. Back in the day, Italian grandmothers would prepare Basil Limeade not just for its delicious taste, but also as a traditional remedy. It was believed to aid in digestion, alleviate headaches, and even help with respiratory issues due to the combination of basil's medicinal properties and the vitamin C from limes. While we're talking about Italian Basil Limeade, did you know that similar drinks with basil and citrus have variations in other cultures too? In Thailand, for instance, they have a popular drink called Bai Toi Cha, made with Thai basil and kaffir lime. It's fascinating how these combinations transcend borders. Innovative chefs and mixologists have taken the concept of Basil Limeade to the next level. You'll find versions infused with other herbs like mint, thyme, or rosemary, and sometimes even with a hint of spiciness from jalapenos or a touch of sweetness from strawberries. The fusion possibilities are as endless as they are exciting. Basil itself comes in various varieties, each with its unique flavor profile. From sweet basil to lemon basil and even cinnamon basil, the choice of basil can greatly influence the taste of your limeade. So, experiment with different types and discover your favorite blend. In certain regions of Italy, particularly in the hot Mediterranean summers, it's customary to enjoy a glass of Basil Limeade during festivals and gatherings. It's not just a drink, it's a celebration of the season's vibrant flavors and the sense of community. As the culinary world evolves, so does the way we enjoy Italian Basil Limeade. From basil-infused syrups to pre-packaged versions that you can find in specialty stores, the convenience of this refreshing drink has reached new heights. And there you have it, folks, our journey through the enchanting world of Italian Basil Limeade and its hidden stories. Next time you're in need of a refreshing drink that's not only delicious but also carries a touch of history and wellness, consider trying out this timeless concoction. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Cheers to discovering the extraordinary in the ordinary.